T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Main engine start, 0, and liftoff of the Atlas V with Curiosity, seeking clues to the planetary puzzle about life on Mars.
The program is in right on time. 180 operating at 100% thrust as expected. And throttling down to 76%. Program is complete. And MSL is now breaking the sound barrier. SRB chamber pressures following the nominal curve. Everything looking good. And we pass through max Q. We're on closed loop on Atlas VU. Signatures as expected. SRB profile continues to look nominal, throttling back up to 100% thrust on the RD-180. Engine parameters looking good. Flight control disturbances look as expected. SRB pressures running right as expected. Coming up on SRB burnout, we have burnout of the SRBs. Everything is looking good. 10 seconds to SRB jet. And we have first pair and second pair. Both sets of SRBs have successfully jettisoned the vehicle. We've re-enabled guidance. Everything is looking good.
This is Rob Gannon, our United Launch Alliance telemetry manager. We're hearing.
Vehicle is now 32 nautical miles in altitude, 54 miles downrange, traveling at 4,900 miles per hour. And we've throttled down to hold a constant 2.5 G level for payload fairing jettison. And we fired the pyro valve, pressurizing the RCS bottle. Pressure increasing in the loop as expected. Now we're hitting our 2.5 G limit, coming up on payload fairing jettison, approximately 10 seconds. Fairing jet. And we also have the successful CFLR jettison, right as expected. Throttling up on the RD-180, everything looking good. Coming up to 89% thrust. And we are now entering our constant 4.6 G acceleration throttle phase. Everything looking good. We've started boost phase chill down. Housing temps are responding. Coming up on booster engine cutoff. Expecting BECO in 10 seconds. Safety ADUs. We have BECO, retro rockets, and stage separation. We have pre-start on fuel and locks. Ignition and full thrust. Center main engine is up and running as expected. Everything looking good. Steering has been enabled. We have sent our PU to fixed angles, right as expected. And we've begun our reaction control system thermal conditioning firings. Everything looking good. And the vehicle's now 102 nautical miles in altitude, 570 miles downrange, traveling at 13,700 miles per hour. And we're now in the early portions of a nearly 7-minute first burn of Centaur. Engine continues to operate normally, good steady state operating pressures.